There's stuff on the floor over there.
Well, yeah.
Why don't you pick up that, Savvy? Liza, keep cleaning up. Yep, go clean that stuff up. Yes, Gabe, that does go in the bedroom. Good job. No, just felt like it. So where does that go, Savvy? Right. Kiri? More stuff over there to clean up. Would you clear off the table, Elijah?
Okay. It's okay. I'm okay. Bounce it.
Savvy, why don't you clear off the table too?
It's okay. I'm okay.
Elijah. Kiri, is everything under the sink all cleaned up? Alright, Gabe, do you see a toy over there? Yeah, where does that go, Gabe? Yeah, go put it in the bedroom, in your toy box. Kiri, where does that go? Elijah, what are you supposed to be cleaning up? Kiri, what are you supposed to be cleaning up? Hey, no. Where does that go, Savvy? Kiri, what are you supposed to be cleaning up? Kiri. You're right, Gabe, that is Kleenex. No, Kiri. That's good, Gabe. Yeah, why don't you put that there? Now go see that towel over there? Can you go put that towel on the... Pick that up. Yeah, can you pick that up? Kiri, Savvy, I mean, pick something up.
It's okay.
Look, more garbage.
Look how clean in here, Mom.
You think it looks clean in here?
Really need some more Cheerios.
What about that stuff over there?
Mommy. Cheerios.
Kiri, Elijah, and Savvy, come over here. Elijah? Alright, you may give Julie more Cheerios. You're right, Gabe. That does go in the bedroom. Savvy, no more. I think she already had full enough.
Hello.
She's getting kind of tired now. Savvy, come clean up over here.